Welcome to Lesson 4, Part 1. In this lesson, we will continue to learn and go over our sight words. Our sight words for this lesson are like, he, are, and give. Now let's use our sight words to complete sentences. My friends to dance with me. Again, my friends to dance with me. What word goes here? Is it my friends like to dance with me or my friends he to dance with me? What goes here? Is it like or he? Like. My friends like to dance with me. I will my homework to our teacher. I will my homework to our teacher. What goes here? Is it like or give? I will like my homework to our teacher. Or is it I will give my homework to our teacher? What goes here? Give. I will give my homework to our teacher. You coming to school tomorrow? You coming to school tomorrow? What word goes here? Is it are or he? Are you coming to school tomorrow? Or he you coming to school tomorrow? What word goes here? Are or he? Are you coming to school tomorrow? I think is coming to school tomorrow. I think is coming to school tomorrow. What goes here? Is it he or like? I think he is coming to school tomorrow. Or is it I think like is coming to school tomorrow? What goes here? He or like? He. I think he is coming to school tomorrow. Awesome. Now let's begin our story. This week's story is getting ready for the spring sports games. Let's get started. Tom is excited and I am excited too. We are going to the spring sports games. Our teacher said, Tom, you will need to practice to get ready. Then she said, Sam, you will need to help Tom practice. Tom did not know what practice meant. He asked Sam, what does practice mean? I thought and thought, then I said, practice was what you do when you are trying to learn how to do something. Practice means you do something over and over until you can get it done, until you can do it really well. I said to Tom, well, if you want to be a good swimmer, you must go swimming every day. That's practicing swimming. If you want to be a good reader, you must read every day. That's practicing reading. Okay, Sam, said Tom, I will practice swimming with you. Then Tom said, I like wheelchair racing, but I will need to practice wheelchair racing. I think my friend Tom and I will have fun practicing. Awesome. Now, let's go over some parts of the story to answer some questions. Tom is so excited and I am excited too. Who is excited? Is it Tom and Sam? Or the sun and moon? Who do you think is excited? Tom and Sam. Our teacher said, Tom, you will need to practice to get ready. Who needs to practice? Is it Tom or Bojo? Tom. Tom needs to practice. Okay, Sam, said Tom, I will practice swimming with you. Then Tom said, I like wheelchair racing, but I will need to practice wheelchair racing. What does Tom need to practice? Is it swimming and wheelchair racing or drinking and eating? What does Tom need to practice? Swimming and wheelchair racing. I think my friend Tom and I will have fun practicing. Who will have fun practicing? Is it Sam and Tom or a bee and mom? Sam and Tom will have fun practicing. Well done, you did it!